In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metatrader 5 demo account on PC. We'll start by getting Metatrader 5 installed. Head to the official Metatrader 5 website or your broker's download page, download the Windows installer, and run it. When setup finishes, open MT5. If Windows asks for permissions, allow the app so it can access the network for live price feeds. It's a good idea to install only from trusted sources to avoid tampered files. Now let's create your demo account inside MT5. In the top menu, go to File, then open an account. A window will list available servers. Choose a demo server that matches your provider, such as a MetaQuotes demo or your broker's demo option, and click Next. Select Open a Demo Account and click Next again. Fill in the required details, set your preferred leverage, and choose an initial virtual balance that suits the size you want to practice with. After agreeing to the terms, click Finish. MT5 will generate your demo login credentials and usually connects automatically. Save those credentials in a secure place so you can return to this account later. If the platform doesn't connect by itself, no problem. Go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your credentials, pick the correct demo server from the list, and click OK. You'll know you're connected when prices begin updating and you see data streaming in the Market Watch window. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface. Market Watch shows a list of tradable symbols and their real-time prices. The main charts area displays price action and technical analysis. The Navigator panel gives quick access to your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. Along the bottom, the Toolbox shows tabs like Trade for open positions, alerts, and history for past activity. You can drag symbols from Market Watch onto a chart, resize panels, and right-click to reveal handy options like showing all symbols. When you're ready for your first practice trade, click New Order on the toolbar or press F9. Choose a symbol such as E or USD. Set your volume, which controls the lot size and therefore your risk per move. Add a stop loss and take profit if you want to define your exit levels in advance. Then click Buy or Sell. Your position will appear in the Trade tab where you can modify levels or close the trade. Use this demo time to build skills. Add indicators via Insert, then Indicators. Switch chart timeframes from minutes to hours or days to see different perspectives. Test how stop losses and take profits behave. If you're exploring automated ideas, try the Strategy Tester. A demo account lets you practice in real market conditions without risking actual money, helping you learn tools, platforms, and order handling before moving to live trading.